Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the watch has enough power and the phone is ready. This avoids mid-process failures. Once done, open the Gloryfit app on your phone and grant Bluetooth and location permissions so the app can discover devices. Then, on the watch, navigate to Settings and enable pairing or Bluetooth visibility. This puts the device into a discoverable state. Make sure both devices are within 1-2 meters. Tight proximity reduces interference and speeds up discovery. Now, in the app you should see the watch listed. Tap its name and confirm any matching code shown on both screens so you verify the right device. This prevents accidental pairing with neighbors. After pairing, the app will request notification access, contact permission, and storage for watch faces. Grant these so features work correctly. Once granted, enable auto-sync and health permissions. This keeps steps, heart rate, and sleep data flowing automatically between devices without you having to open the app constantly. Finish by testing basic functions. Send a notification, check step sync, or trigger a call through the watch to confirm two-way communication. If something seems off, restart both the watch and phone. This clears temporary Bluetooth glitches. Make sure the app runs in the background and battery optimizations are disabled for Gloryfit so the connection stays alive. If problems persist, clear Bluetooth cache on the phone or remove and repair the device. Often a fresh pairing resolves stubborn pairing or sync errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.